Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Phonics. Phonics is a way of teaching children how to read and write. It helps children hear, identify and use different sounds that distinguish one word from another in the English language. In today's video, we will be looking at the ound, ound, out word families. ound. Let us read one by one. Ound, round. Ound, bound. Ound, ground. Ound, pound. Ound, found. Ound, sound. Let's look the next family. Ount. Sound is ount. Aunt, mount. Aunt, amount. Aunt, count. Aunt, account. Out, out, shout. Out, trout. Out, about. Oud, out, loud. Cloud, cloud. Out, allowed. So, these are the words which we have learned today. Hope my videos are helping you. If you feel so, please do subscribe my channel and thank you so much for watching.